In this section, we are going to learn what is an arithmetic progression and how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So let us first consider a sequence of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So notice that each consecutive terms differ by a constant. In this case, we add 2 to obtain the next term. Now let us consider another sequence of numbers. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, and so on. In this sequence of numbers, we realize that each consecutive pairs of numbers differs by 4. So in this case, I subtract 4 from the previous term to obtain the next term. These two are examples of what we call an AP, which is an arithmetic progression. So what exactly is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a sequence where the difference between every pair of consecutive terms is a constant number. So in general, if the first term, I call it A, this is the usual notation. For the first term, we denote it by A. The second term will be A plus D, where D is called the common difference. Third term will be A plus 2D. Fourth term, A plus 3D. Now, I want you to recognize the pattern. If we reach the nth term, what would the expression for nth term be? It will be A plus n minus 1D. So for an AP, the nth term, which we denote by A subscript n, can be expressed as A, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the common difference D. Now look at the first example and try it yourself.